A classic apple tart which has buttery crust and sweet apple filling flavored with cinnamon. The crust is crisp and the filling is sweet, just perfect for your sweet craving. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna, welcome to Simply Food. Before I start today's video, please go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. First, take thinly sliced apple into a bowl. I have taken 3 apples. Make sure the apples are crunchy. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar into the apple. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Now mix the apples sliced well, but mix gently. These are thinly sliced, so if you mix quickly or roughly, they can break easily. Set them aside. Now sprinkle some flour on kitchen surface. Take the pie dough. I'll give the link of pie dough in the description box. Start to roll the dough with a rolling pin. Flatten the dough from every side. If you feel the dough is too hard to roll, then leave it for a few minutes. If you see it gets sticky, immediately put them into refrigerator. Make sure the base of the dough is not sticking with the surface. The dough is nicely flattened. Now carefully place it on a pre-greased tart mold. Lightly press it into the corners of the mold. Press the side of the tart mold. After setting it well, press the side corners well to set them nicely. Now trim the extra pastry sheets by using the rolling pin, or you can use a kitchen scissor to trim, but to me it is the easiest way. Remove the trim portion. Prick it with a fork and also prick the sides. Refrigerate it for 15 minutes to set. After 15 minutes, put the apple slices in the tart cell. I'm starting from the one side and into the middle, but you can start from the middle also, then you will finish at the side. Now it's ready for bake. Preheat the pan for 10 minutes on 150 degrees centigrade. Open the lid and place the tart. Cover it and bake for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, you can see the crust and apple tart is ready. Sprinkle some powdered sugar on the top and serve this beautiful apple tart. It has crispy crust and sweet, nicely aromatic apple filling. You will definitely enjoy this tart. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button after watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel if you new to our channel, and share this video more and more. Leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.